One day while sitting together, the companions heard a strange sound. One of them asked, "Ah, O Messenger of Allah, what is that sound?" The Prophet smiled, then lifted his garment, revealing small stones tied to his stomach. "This is to endure hunger," he said calmly. The companions fell silent, their hearts aching. Their beloved leader, the most honorable man, endured hunger in such a humble way. At night, the Prophet rested on a simple mat of palm leaves. One day, Umar ibn Khattab entered and saw marks left on his blessed skin. Tears welled up in his eyes. "O Messenger of Allah, the rulers of Rome and Persia sleep in luxury, yet you sleep like this?" The Prophet smiled and said, "O Umar, this world is not our home. Our true home is in the hereafter." Like this video if you're grateful for what you have today.